Okay, so hopefully you finished this part. You wrote down these two steps. Now we're going to try one together. So step 1, circle the side with the variable. Now, the middle of a problem is the equal sign. So even though it doesn't look like the middle of the problem, the equal sign is what separates the answer from the actual problem. So that's the middle. So when I'm saying circle the side with the variable, I'm saying the left or the right of the equal sign. In this case, it's the left. Now it says do the inverse on the other side. So what are they doing to the variable? They're taking away 2. So on the other side of the equal sign, we're going to do the opposite, which is adding 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. Cross out the thing that you did. So we did the opposite of minusing 2. And our answer is x equals 8. Okay? So make sure you're doing these with me. Okay? Find our equal sign. That's the middle of the problem. So there's step 1. Or not really step 1, but find the middle of the problem. Step 1, circle the side with the variable. This is the side with the variable. What is the opposite of subtracting 7? Adding 7, but you do it on the other side of the problem where there's no letter. 18 plus 7 is 25. I'm going to cross out the minus 7 that I did the opposite for. And this one's written backwards, but that's okay. You get 25 equals x, or you could write it as x equals 25. Okay, let's try a couple more. Find the middle of the problem. That's the equal sign. Circle the side with the letter. What is the opposite of taking away 3? Adding 3. So on the other side of the problem, we're going to add 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Bring down my equal sign. Bring down my letter. Cross out the little minus 3 because we know that we did our step. Okay. Number 6. Here's our middle of the problem, our equal sign. Circle the side with the letter. The opposite of taking away 10 is adding 10. So we're going to do that on the other side of the problem, which is 14. Bring down the equal sign. Bring down the letter. And then you can cross off the little minus 10 to show that you did your steps. All right, I'm going to have you try the rest of this page. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Do all of them. So start by finding your middle of the problem, which is where the equal sign is. And then you're circling the side that has the variable. Circle the side that has the letter. Whatever math is happening to the letter, do the opposite on the other side of the problem. So see if you can finish those ones. This last one's a little bit tricky, so we'll do it together. It says your aunt gives you $50 to help buy the reflector telescope shown. After you buy the telescope, you have $25.50 left. How much money did you have before your aunt gave you the $50? So what we don't know is how much money we had. So I'm going to use an X for my variable. I have no idea how much money we had. However, our aunt gave us $50. So we're going to add 50 to that because that's how much she gave us. We don't know how much we have, but we know we have $50 added to whatever our total is. We spent, so we're taking away, $275.95 on this telescope. Okay, so that's why I'm taking this away because we spent that money. What we have left, so what we're equaling, our change is $25.50. That's what I got from this part here. You have $25.50 left. So that's our equation, and now we want to solve it. So what we do is we start farthest from the variable. So I'm going to find my middle of the problem. I'm going to circle my side with the letter, which is this entire thing. We're going to do whatever's furthest from the variable, which is this. The opposite of taking away $275.95 is adding $275.95. So you would be doing this on the other side, but I don't really have room, so I'm just going to do it down here. You're going to add these together. So you do that part, which means we would cross out this step. So once you do that, you're going to have this answer here. Then you're going to do the opposite of adding 50. So whatever you get for this answer, subtract 50. Whatever you get, that's how much money you started with. So you finish that one, and then you are all set.